student, today I am going to explain about our today's topic. Our today's topic is crime from unit 12. Crime is also includes in social problems. Let's start. Definition of crime. Crime is an act forbidden by the law of the land and penalty is prescribed. Crime is an antisocial act. Forbidden means prohibited by the law of the land and penalty is prescribed. This is the definition of crime. Now, factors contributing to crime. Some factors contribute to lead the crime. Understand? There are many factors which contributes to these major social problems. They can be classified as physical, social, economical, political, environmental, familial and psychological. These all are some factors to contribute to lead the crime. Now, physical factors. Physical factors also contributes to lead the crime. Physical factors mainly the physical environment. Physical factors means mainly the physical environment includes. They are season, climates, population density, economy, culture and other ecological factors. Understand? These all are physical factors. Understand? Now social factors. Social factors also contributes to lead the crime. Lack of social control. Moral values are the indirect means of social control. It controls the human behavior and tendencies. Understand? Moral values controls the human behavior and tendency. So lack of social control is includes in social factors. Advancements. Availability of good transportation facilities help the criminals to escape after committing the crime. Understand? Advancement means new facilities spreading day by day in our society. Understand? Availability of good transportation facilities help the criminals to escape after committing the crime. The facilities of remote control, email, mobile facilities help the criminals for their criminal network. Now, political pressure. Nowadays, the punishment to the criminals become less or most of them. This is true fact. Escape with high political influence. Understand? Alcoholism and drug abuse. Due to overuses of alcohol and drug, the crime increases. Individuals are losing their productivity and social respect. Due to overuses of alcohol and overuses of drugs, crime will be increases and individuals are losing their productivity and social respect for the reason of alcohol abusing and drug abusing. Mass media. Most of the cinema lights up the violence and all sorts of crimes in the society. Understand? Newspapers and TV also highlights the criminal activities in the society. Nowadays, newspapers and all TV channels daily highlights the criminals activities in the society. Understand? This is some social factors to lead the crime in our society. Now, economic factors. Poverty. History has the strong evidences many socio-economically poor individuals who become the member of terrorist group in the society. Many member of terrorists comes from poor family. Understand? This is some historical strong evidences. Understand? So poverty is the one causes to lead crime. Understand? Unemployment. This is the major problem in our society. Unemployment becomes one of the major problem for criminal activity. Industrialization. Our today's society is full of industrialization society. Understand? We all lives in westernization and industrialization. Understand? Industrialization leads men in alcoholism and prostitution. Understand? And finally, they may perform crime like robbery and murder assaults. Environmental factors. More numbers of crimes are committed in hot tropical countries. Understand? More numbers of crimes are committed in hot tropical countries than the cold or subtropical countries. So, seasonal climate has an effect on crime. Understand? It is called environmental factors. Environmental factors also lead to crime. Now, familiar factors. Broken families. Broken families includes divorce. Understand? Broken family means where death of parents or union parents includes divorcee or divorce. Understand? This is called broken family. In broken family, absence of love and affection. Understand? So, absence of love and affection to children lead to crime. Understand? Family size. It is difficult for parents to control and supervise children in large families. In large families, it is very difficult to control and supervise by their parents. Understand? So, this negligence leads in developments of delinquency behavior. Democratic home. In this 21st century, not only the fathers but also mothers becoming alcoholic. Understand? It is today's 21st century's society. Understand? Not only fathers but also mothers becoming alcoholic. These demoralized conditions make the children to economic many form of crime. Understand? This is all the factors to lead to crime. Understand? Now, prevention and control measures. Now, prevention and control the measure of crime. Understand? Prevention of crime is mainly possible by two methods. One aiming to reduce the number of crime. Understand? One aiming is to reduce the number of crime and other is reformation. Understand? Reformation of criminals. This is two methods to prevent the crime. Impairment. Impairment means loss of function or ability. Impairment is the common methods using to prevent and control crime. To prevent and control crime, impairment is the common method. Understand? Besides imprisonment, some other punishments also helps to control crimes. Besides imprisonment, there are various punishment methods which helps to control the crimes. Imprisonment. Imprisonment means prisons. Understand? Prisons are set up to keep the criminals. Prison is model setup where all opportunities have been given to develop their personality and make them useful citizens in the society. Understand? This is some reformation of criminals. Understand? Probation. Probation is one type of reformatory home for only for juvenile and minor offenders. Understand? Probation. Some of the criminals are put down under supervision of probation officers. Understand? Without sending them to prison. Understand? What is probation? Probation is one type of reformatory home for juvenile offenders. Understand? Here criminals are put down under supervision of probation officers without sending them to prison. Mostly juvenile and minor offenders are put down under this provision. Probation officers have some function for treating these criminals' problems. Thus, some functions of probation officers are to keep the criminals under his personal care. To reform the criminals. This is the some activities of probation officers in probation home. To bring out life history of criminals and reduce their tendencies of crime thoughts. Make them as a good citizen in the society. This is the some activities of probation officers in probation home. Now parole. Parole is another form of reformation of crime rules. Understand? Other than probation, this will be a short period of imprisonment. Parole means short period of imprisonment of a criminal. During the paroles, the criminals will be under the supervision of probation officers. These officers maintains contact with the criminal and tries to reform them. Now, Borstal schools. This is also the some reformatory schools. The criminal coming under the age group of 16 to 21 years. In these schools, kept in the Borstal schools, where they are getting good education. The main aim of this school is to make the criminals as a good citizen in the society. And last one is reformatory home. Both juvenile and adult reformatory arrangements are available in the reformatory homes. In reformatory homes, both juvenile and adult reformatory arrangements are available. These persons who become criminals under the influence of circumstances will be kept in reformatory homes. Understand? Here the criminals will get the education in discipline, exercise, religion and principles of citizens in between reformatory home. This is all some reformation and prevention of crime. Understand? Society has a great role in treating the criminals and making them as good citizens in our nation. This is all about crime.